Explain the function of the soldering tool.
Solder wire.
It is an alloy of tin and lead that is made in different proportions with a mixed composition, and with a different melting point. Solder that melts at low temperature is used for delicate and small work and is called soft solder. Solder that melts at high temperature is used for soldering large parts and is called hard solder. Solder required for repairing electronic devices such as boards and kits is 63% soft solder, which means 63% tin and 37% lead. Inside the wire there is a substance called brain. The brain removes the oxidation of the tip and cleans the surface involved in the melting process.
To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.